Today's story is A Busy Day for Birds. Let's go. Can you imagine just for one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird! Hooray! The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say, cluck, cluck, and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing, tra-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 chip, chip, chip. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich, go, go, go. Show off your tail and wiggle your bum. Now sit in your nest and cuddle with mom. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. Tweet, toot, ooh, ooh. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.